Now, good evening, everybody. I promised you guys that I'm gonna be back. I've been very busy. I know say some of you now don't sleep, but we need to round up this particular audio because this audio did very, very important. It did me very important that I need to really finish the audio then before I go know the next thing to do. This particular video now, Frank Omoruyi analysis now they do. Today again, God just vindicates me. They go today again. Frank Omoruyi also Salomon expose another lie, non lie. Frank, you want me to come and debunk a lot of things I don't understand, but don't worry, I will address all those things in this video. As Edemune, so I will talk to you like who I am, because when anyway, you know, more regboto my year school, my vine school, agripano my negbo hin ozuo, ma bule, ma kones, gbanene nwa agrikpa wari live video wa talo wa rovi ma akpiko eshegwere etuwe agrikpa father. Here God, yeah, so my mind has any boy. But guys, let's just go straight to the point. I'm not gonna wait for anybody. You guys can watch the video later if you want to watch the video. You can watch it later. You don't have me, Sharon. You can watch it later if you want to do that. But for now, let's just go straight to the point. So now, we did one live video today. We never round up the live video of Frank. Today's topic now the adoption itself. The word adoption, because Frank actually accused me that he may bossy me because of let us hear from his mouth. Let us hear directly from him. So guys, just pay attention. I'm not going a video now can take maybe 30 minutes or 40 minutes. I just want to be fast about it so I can go and sleep. Because it's another beautiful day. So let's listen.
Izzy, you are really a bad person. You, the bad person. I'm on top of you, I'm my sister, you know. Also, put up with no ambition. I'm just a little bit small, a team of Bammy, a boy by here. It can one on what we Bammy. Izzy with you, we are quality only. Ego, no, I never get that.
Guys, let's pause here. Frank say, I mean, they support Okpame no gbije. The reason the not support Okpame is because of ego nera yere. It's a Sharon gune. Sharon yeragbon. Frank, is Sharon's father still alive? I don't know, because according to Sharon, in 3 months, I'll be 3 years, very well. To Imayera Nugwankana. And for him to say that me or support Okpame gbija Sharon I really want to know Okpame, because me my own Okpame gbije unu when Frank na me na Okpame gbije. So it's kind of weird in my ears, because in my own Okpame gbije. So I'm hearing from you now. That's to say you know more than I do. So let us know again. No yak gbije de no kin bija u ija adobo we me say Okpame me right to fish me. It's not done. I don't why a mere man be agboko. So well time na ge Okpame gbije many things go support Okpame to gbije. When, how, all that gbije, that's not my business. But you adding my name to it is what I don't like. You understand? I really like. So let's repeat it again for those who are just joining. For those who are just joining, let's repeat it again.
Izzy, you are really a bad person. You, the bad person. I'm on top of you, I'm my sister, you know. Also, put up with no ambition. I'm just a little bit small, a team of Bammy, a boy by here. It can one on what we Bammy. Izzy with you, we are quality only. Ego, no, I never get that I will expose you. The reason why you hold on to those kids, I know. I'm Irish. I was a culture of this like you. I never know Izzy. If you know what Izzy do after Sharon's death, when I go home. Sharon never bow. He get papa, he get
say buna me o je me o. But I also don't go with social media ya fe o si o ma ko. O si wu ga me. Ami o se no zuo, ami se no wo bi ve de francomo zuo je. Ami o se no saga o ma no ti o ma shago ve de fan Victor je no zaga ba gon no alekwi e ko eni wiwa. Wow.
As they adopt this girl.
Imagine. Say Sharon get adopted father and mother. We adopt her. I'm just hearing from Frank now that Sharon had a father and mother. So let Frank tell us who be the papa and the mama we Sharon get. According to Frank, he said the papa and mama they give Sharon money. Now the money me I want collect. Now make me hold on to the children. The last time I checked, if Sharon Igweme, I don't know which children Frank say I hold on to. If Sharon Igweme, so I be when I want make I call the video my house, when they show na my house. Sharon children not there with me. The children there with the mama. So how come now Frank is saying that the children there with me? Say me hold on to the children because I want make the papa they give me money. I don't understand these people. They just sit down and cook up lies so that people can't pity them. So he said here, say Sharon get adopted father and mother for this Europe. I never knew Sharon had a father and mother in this Europe. Now Frank Omozuo ne wo bi no zuo no ma negbe or Təning live video. He said it and I recorded it. I have a clip of it. I have evidence to it. So guys, let's continue. Let's listen to him.
Now you see this woman, Sharon, let Sharon OKPAMEN, has a father and a mother for this Europe who this one. The couple has contact Tiri family, the biological mother we born. The family of Oyibo we adopt her. And she let the family of Oyibo know say she is what? Orphan. You know, watching the
So Sharon actually told the family of the Oyibo say he not get papa, he not get mama. Why? Frank, continue. Tell us why.
Forgetting say, Mama dey, you don't want anybody know. Half from this friend. I would give you a small clip of Sharon's story and Izzy. Of all in life with the father we have daughter. Where jealousy start from. It's like no balance. Sometimes this Sharon story when I go use and learn. Many of them they drag friend. Many of them will tell their friends something and not go let their family know. This Sharon story when I go use and learn. We still get good friend, man. Don't play, you get good friend. They'll get bad friend. A bad one, they make friend the entire person. Sharon was adopted by a family. After some years, the woman come back, which is the husband and wife, and the woman fell give up. But the woman wait was will to Sharon OKPAMEN. Easy that thing, we know I will expose you. All the woman wait was what? Will to Sharon, including a huge amount of money, including diamond and gold.
Diamond.
There was a year where Sharon came out to celebrate diamond. That she has diamond. And diamond was will to Sharon OKPAMEN by an adopted mother. Since they go fine, the father always give her money. The father is taking care of her. Mother no born. He can't get daughter. Automatically they find have a granddaughter. Beautiful. Who was there? Watch out for Pastor.
For those of you who are just coming,
Easy.
the reason why I'm doing this video is this. Nobody should tell me not to do it. You know, when you go put one serious allegation on somebody, from this video now, first, in talk say, the reason why me, I hold on to Sharon children, and I lie. Sharon children not there with me. Sharon's children are not with me. Now, because say I want to collect the money where Sharon papa, they give Sharon. That make me hold on to the children. Me, I don't know say Sharon get papa. Now, Frank, they make me know say Sharon get papa. Because Sharon told me the only man where she they call daddy now be a papa brother where they part over. I'm a 3 years, I be 3 months. Very young. So now automatically, Frank don't develop, don't give Sharon papa and mama now. He say one Oyibo papa and mama adopt Sharon. Yeah, we get it, yeah. So, sorry guys. So, just listen again.
You are really a bad person. You a bad person. On top of you are in my sister, you know. Also, put up on one billion. I'm a team of women. The boy by here. A kid one out of me, easy with you. We are collecting ego, no, lobby, I never get that. I will expose you. The reason why you hold on to those kids, I know. I'm Irish. I could go tell about this life. I never know easy. If you don't know what easy do after Sharon's death, when I go home. Sharon never bow. He get papa, he get adopted father for this abroad. The same papa when they say Sharon go Denmark, go Denmark, go. Now man adopt that Sharon for Denmark. The man did Denmark. Husband and wife. When I go reach, I'll go open that place for them. Easy too. Easy. Now name one my friend. They know the comment. It is with up there. The team with up. Easy no. Easy. Sharon, let Sharon OKPAMEN has a father and a mother for this Europe who this one. It could be like Tiri family. The biological mother we born. The family of Oyibo we adopt her. And she let the family of Oyibo know say she is what? Orphan. You don't keep watching your mom. Forgetting say Mama dey.
Frank you're so dumb. Like where Oma my adopted father and mother. One of the Hamenene Boge of fine and una the way not do I the live video. Let's take for instance again. I don't only say because definitely let's take for example where Emma Gele adopted Sharon when we were tiny. Ebo Gele adopted. They will not do a live video with Ebo, with a language Ebo, where Sharon Hamia what we or fine. Do you know that's a criminal act? Do you know already that is fraud? We may get fraud in him. Sometimes a 1-year-old baby or 2 months old baby or winners or Frank Victor or Frank Omozo, 1 month baby or winners or where you are trying to come and in trying to come and paint me black, in trying to come and destroy my name. You are destroying somebody else's name already. Wa saga o manogu ne tage erioka me the father and the mother no adopt we yeneje. That single act alone is fraud. It's a criminal act. I wouldn't want to go to that extent. I wouldn't want to talk about that topic. Ya hamwari my by ogeta. But it matter me a shano makama getting adopted unwe a Frank me na hona getting adopted. But I will wait for Frank. I will wait for either that family. Yana will be any other video again. I will come and tell the world venia jie. The reason niana gwale bona hiana. I will come and expose it to the world. But for today, I will keep quiet. Frank, you also expose yourself here. We'll finish this one because this one is not long. I'm not going to say long today. Then we'll go to the video where you do today. This one are the one where you do yesterday. Today, in do video today. No, you have to boy strike it, this thing, Otana. Why damn you say, like guys, listen carefully. Here he said Sharon had a father and a mother, no adopted in Europe. No ria so mo. Ona do ha me ravi, ona do ha me boni wi yemera yemeje. Okay. Not knowing that again, ona ha me yemera yemeje. So to those able no adopted, she is an orphan according to Frank Omoruyi Agbo, one of Facebook. So let's continue.
Half of this friend, I would give you a small clip of Sharon story, Izzy, of all in life with the father we have daughter, where jealousy starts from.
Oh.
It's like no balance. Sometimes this Sharon story, when I'm going to use and learn, many of them they drag friend. Many of them will tell their friends something, no will let the family know. This Sharon story, when I'm going to use and learn. We still get good friend, man. Don't play. You get good friend. You'll get bad friend. The bad one, they make friend the entire person. Sharon was adopted by a family. After some years, the woman went back, which is the husband and wife, and the woman fell give up. All the woman went was will to Sharon by name. Easy that thing, we know I will expose you.
Please do expose me fast, Frank. I dey wait.
To Sharon, including a huge amount of money, including diamond and gold. There was a year where Sharon came out to celebrate diamond. That she has diamond. And diamond was will to Sharon by an adopted mother. Is they go fine. The father always give her money. The father is taking care of her. Mother not born. He can't get daughter. Automatically the father have a granddaughter. Beautiful me. Who pause there?
Oga, no pause. Oga, this is your story. I really like to hear the part 2 because I really want to know who is feeding you with your stories, and we are very interested. We need the part 2. So, guys, as he finished this one yesterday, he can't do video today. He do video today now. Saluba na polog be woba. Are you a video there now? Ona ya fi egbe owe. Wa da me o ye donu zomo. Okay. Useless man, no. So I make banana with be. Obe we na no mind egbe.
First day, we talk before I sleep. I'm not gonna say I'll come today. I'm not gonna come this morning. First thing this morning, I wake up right at 3. That's when the baton and come.
Oh God, Imam no wa yeko wa zuo. Okwo no le okwo no le on na we odo. We c'est pity.
Izzy Omoruyi.
That me well zuo.
Don't call the play of video one after the other.
Yeah, we dey listen.
But let people not give me that answer.
They answer you.
But maybe we don't.
We ma say no show me anything. And then we say now we no mind egbe. We do agree me go. Yes, I look for justice for myself. Yes, now.
All right. I'm gonna share this video. I'm gonna listen.
Tell Salobu, I go want to stay in very dirty house. Shit.
And listen to Yemo Jonah. We're the fruit man winner. No, let's use this one. This is how we hire. What will you make?
Definitely now.
This is don't block me. Why is they blocking her? Easy day life video day insult you, Mama Sharon. No problem. Easy day life video day insult. No problem. I want to see it. This have not been the problem. We know say this have must come now, so definitely.
Eh, now we can insult him. When they mabule. Wait, no, the way as I don't do sagari. Wait, who can't give you a throne now? Oh, God, talk you, Zua, mind it, boy, talk.
Take over the truth of Sharon's death. She's just lying. It's because me, I go drag this, drag mama.
You go drag me, drag my mama. Now today begin to drag me, drag my mama. Because when you're Jane, is you a Zua, is your mind it, babe. You go drag me, drag my mama. How you they look like, self? Frank, now Italy you did. Now you know the Germany. I'll come meet you for Roma straight. I dey bata. Uzuzua. We Kevin. Whoever I left where we were. Useless people. Where go drag me, drag my mama. And I can drag you, me. Any useless set of people for their mind.
Because this is getting too much.
Now they play my audio. He's confused. He's confused. I beg. I know where that part they way we for play and say. They know. Who's Frank? DJ Kevin don't go no man or they Zuo, they go no man because we're giving when DJ Kevin and Egbe almost when we say yoga. Maybe this part. Okay, now yeah. I don't reach where I define. Or Daniel, I be Daniel.
Adoption means the child now belongs to you. That child now belongs to you. When the documentation is
Get one particular place where I played today where you can talk, say.
so when Dr. Sime, I'm not in Nigeria, I am better in Nigeria. Dr. Sime, man say it them happy one day. One of those say now reply well. Izzy, you know I want to reply you. Number one, before you want to do video, one come to talk to me. If you want your baba your hair.
Frank, you not rich. Where you not rich, you know me. Melene saga. Na me saga. Waka frame me when social media now. Na we eruwa me tu eruwa mami. Ame no eruwa ma etanya me. So they no hate na no hate freaky me. Where the nije Kevin there? Iye Kevin me you my hair. Iye Kevin me you my hair. Iye Kevin no second igbewa. O wa no stay. Ye ma ye green happen to wa be webo. A green happen to where? If I bought like Kevin Egbe, if I bought like Kevin Egbe, Kevin no mind Egbe, no Zua, no mind Egbe, but that 3 children for different men. What Zaga? I can each make the way. You can I see the way you can what left any we were Zua with that one. Man, is you were soon word in the world wide Frank. Is you no mind Egbe. Agba biju we wat Franka, agba biju we wa. Ijo no mind Egbe, ijo no mabule, ijo no Zuo. Umeme, imebuye Sharon OKPAMEN. Ye Sharon mebuye baba kwe. I go do no sha you because of Frank. Imu we like thing now because of Frank. We can't kiss with the radio now. We can't better kiss level now. I go do no sha you because of Frank. Frank, not be saying na lie. Wa we gbe we one video, no na vision. Ye Sharon umi owo we gbe. Umi owo we gbe times 100 or what to agbe. Vision na ugba Vision me awe na na chena. Yes, Sharon, Joy Dada, I will come and meet you in your house and I will report it to the police. My swear case. My swear case is now. Enough is enough. What's the matter? Ya why? We not devil buwe. We are devil buwe. Yes, Sharon, we are devil buwe. No not get Frank. You don't know that of your game. Vision away. It go for agwewa. Can you get away? One bed to my dead. One chill my dad. He walk past away. I go to walk back when I have my passport in there. Nothing me. He go for Agwewa. Vision away. Vision away. It's my way. If I can away another video ni me. Kekiji me. Una geleo ne mi ya manwe. Who gave kita we ni ya lawa. If I can when you that video me, I will tell you who I am. It over why I go a police don't bring my heart. Because enough is enough. You want to be You want to This is not a joke anymore. Yahoo! What did I do? We may at the end, the police will settle it between us. Because enough is enough. What is all this? Why I call it Frank? Why I go? Then we get trying to hide now. We not call it Frank. We not go Frank again. What are you trying to hide? Why are you calling Frank? For what? For what reason? Can't you call me anything out of Waro? I said to Ebutinos, must you go and meet this useless idiot? Or vision because of what? Because of what? Is the egg one? But you see this stupid idiot, no mind egg or vision. For what reason? You shall not made of you were there. But to give out vision me. And it's made your way. We are going to go. What get it out another vision me. Made of you were there. Can we are me? Made of you were there. Every day I give you respect. I respect you because of yours, but you don't. But who are you? What vision? Why I gave Frank another vision? For what reason? For what reason exactly? I really want to know. What is your gain? What is your gain? Why are you doing all this? Why are you doing all this? For what reason? Why are you insulting my mom? For what reason? Eru bovagmo yaknya vere jona. Kaya se gba be kike yo gbofe yaknya. Eru ma seyan, eru leve seyan. Agboya you jealous everybody they jealous of you. Nobody no they jealous you for this old radio. Nobody nego we gossip. Nobody nego we nah. Dije me even know. For your mind now, a Frank ya ti bijime. A Frank, where get Frank no do aro bijime for your mind. Ya do bijime kra iwa agiyan. Ogije me ge ijeme. Iwa agugwa. With Sharon and agugwa because ijeme several times otugba na DJ me Naijawatch. Ijeme abogba legbe. When get a case where the radio now. Ogba legbe aweregbe lagwe a problem we je. You know very well. This is same you. Let me back this door, I beg. This is same you. Pay back the first one, then this one. This is same you. Who got a lawyer. Come on, birth certificate. Come on, date of birth. A grandchild will my. Ijime wetie. Ijime no ma biomo. Or time of birth certificate. Or how my date of birth. Utie mana. Oh, in my date of birth, a lawyer no my date of birth. Mimi. Uyejeru. My date of birth. A granddaughter we. Ijime wetie. Wa hospital. Utijeme no lele we akian. Owere king unakpa. All lele we hospital. For close the winner. From death. 6 hours all the way, all the way, just because of Sharon Maguwe. To Magbe. Rude Sharon Emanawe. Why when my own mama own way? Then my devil boy. Ima sir. Are we owing you money? Why are you doing this? At the beginning, it's here where this thing stop it. Where we must swear. We must swear for that reason. You know, they are swear. A man friend to win at you smart. A smart over another gem not swear. You know very well. But when we like no talk, we like no manipulate man. Or working smart, what they call it? Born great. Ere born great we radio now. Or swear this old matter. Ere born great smart, Mr. Smart. Or will not be the Germany or swear this old matter with Eddie Murphy. You know the truth. But you will not face the truth because I refuse to saga the Murphy for you. We're not doing more. No, yeah, was saga, the Murphy was saga, ni la wogo, ni adeo, ni do now let you want to fit talk for this time. My second, I always saga. I want that who now, no who, I want to hear it, leave social media alone. Let them do what they are doing. If anyone around answer, we will answer them. Every time I wear. Before somebody take a good now with the working here by he must saga here. For what reason? Why? Why should I be concerned about social media when somebody who left us is a very great person? Well, social media have a problem in here. They will talk. Anytime you feel like talking, you can talk to them. But for now, let everybody lie low. Listen, they too will answer email. Marule boy Frank in almost war. By now, there will be. This whole matter will not even come out. It will not even be on social because social media will be bad. If you keep them quiet, they will relax. But no, you know about the social media validation. You run to Omozwo for validation. Hey, here was saga. The Murphy nota, even Parkinson's disease. You were trying to explain yourself for what reason? Who are you explaining to? Who is Omozwo that you are explaining to? Who is he? Bringing out your family life to somebody who is not even relevant because you are looking for social media validation. I told you it is not time to talk. This girl just left us. It's not even up to 3 days. You people should leave social media alone. Live there. Frank. Frank, come and rescue me. The same Frank, not Saga Sharon Ragno. Not Ashawo, not any. Where my Sharon had to do Frank Veroma. Monsieur Sharon Mavejo. Sharon was bent on spending her last money to make sure Frank is like her. She made calls. She went to police. We're going to Roma. Direct. Mohammed, I will be don't know. I will arrange to a beg. Don't know. No need. The video will still be on Sharon's phone right now. You're not going to review wherever or where you lebu because we got the social media validation. We don't okay Mr. Smart in the or befriend the way or information that the office said it go the woman information here. We don't go as a woman who lock up because of Waguna. And we don't know where Jenna. Or when I say, all la wa. You not rule with Frank before you know everything escalates. Again, I'm going to sagale le ya. Don't go, what met go, and they even tell me say I go use Sharon platform to reply. Sharon platform to reply. And now, well, I didn't do it. At the end, they ran to Frank. They ran to him. But still, this woman not still leave me. He not still leave my mom. I know they threaten you. I know they dare you. But I tell you, say, if Frank do one more video, insult my mama, one lie to lie. Salobwa, you go see me for police station. I go report you. I talk up for big front of all. If Frank do one more video, insult my mama, I go report you to police. Again, and I will read that way. One more video from Frank, no Kajime, I will report you to police. All the video all presenters I have all of them. My pictures are on it. My mother's pictures are on it. That is pure evidence. And your sister's voice is on it. Some day when Frank, when not talk to Frank, your own voice there inside. I know your voice now. Your own voice there inside. I get those videos. I get evidence. I go ask policemen, they ask you. What thing I do? Already for this radio here, camera there everywhere. They see me and your pikin, they work up and down together. They know where I be. That day we go bury. I will never even enter inside service of song. They don't shout. If journalists come, wanna not talk, wanna not talk. Waiting una they hide. Waiting una they hide. We don't want make people talk. We go service of song. We go service of song. We go service of song. Now so they talk. We never even enter. If journalists come here, if police come here, if they ask me a question, Mona not talk, Mona not talk, Mona you keep quiet, Mona not talk. Which one they hide? Wait, no want me police here or me journalists here. Now sue hospital. Now sue them millions of euro. Picking where you die, they sue hospital. Say now hospital night buy your picking. It then newspaper. I bet you me been that newspaper come. It then newspaper. It then newspaper. Now go sue hospital, say, now hospital buy on picking. Without you not get evidence. Hospital buy your picking, you not keep quiet, maybe because you not keep quiet, maybe for fight the case. You see the saga people on top. People you know say they go call interview. Definitely they go call they go interview me now. Before they pass radio, they must come and ask, come interview me. They must come ask me question. Upon all. You not see let us rest. You see they say your puppy may he come. I will service of something now. Agboya we ewere. Emani kekere ade. Eya ewere ne. Eya ewere ne. But a puppy we ma ewere. May we not talk. May we not talk. Which one they hide? One will talk. We go talk all of them. We go talk all of them. I buy the newspaper. I see them. You know, for your mind, now anything they go on easy, not they see them. I bought the newspaper. You sue hospital. Millions of euro. Say now then buy your picking. Picking where you not follow go hospital. Picking where you not get evidence. Picking where ambulance come carry. You know if you drive, follow ambulance, may you know what happened to your picking. You dey inside house, the roast suya. Or you get mind, say sue hospital. See am. I'm not suicide, they lie. See am. Not see am. This is our hospital. This is my Sharon I be this. Not see am. Not see am. I'm not sure say you get the newspaper, but me I get them because me I be archive. The same you the sue hospital, but you forget say you talk and say hospital don't call my friend, make she can't do operation for head. for many years. She not gree go. You dey forget all those things. All those things that me and you supposed to sit down because the person really like money. You not sit down to think all these things. Say this thing where I want to do so am I on the right path? I suppose day with you will sit down because I know so much about my friend's health. Just like she know about my health. It gets some things about my health. Now only she I know among all my friends. No that person know. You forget say this same hospital already tell my friend say me she can't do operation for many years where she not gree go. Well, we even now because you not come hospital now. We asked doctor this girl fall. They say she not fall. We asked doctor she fall. They say she not fall. Any sign of fall, they say no. But still, when I go come social media, when I come they insult my mama for waiting my mama do. Say she open door for your pikin when you drive and come out for house. Say she help you bath your grand pikin when you not feel bath. That be my mother crime. Say she help your pikin sit down. They begin to think of how to say she help your pikin sit down, plan life to buy a house. That be a crime. Which one be so that she's staggering her? She has been staggering me for more than 1 month. All of you are quiet. All of you are hypocrites. For more than 1 month now. More than 1 month now. Don't they tell Frank maybe they insult person enemy. All of you they clap and they go they comment on there. Izzy is a bad friend. I don't want to have a friend like Izzy. God forbid Izzy in my life. And they talk now and they say he that is staggering because I do my body. Obaluwa Begbea, it depends on your body. Infinity Saga, your page, my name like Fulan. Wait till they insult me. Smart not be your friend, I've been your brother. The smart not be your own brother. Wak begwene. Emi na uwe do ilele do wa feya foa. Get to ware Europe. To ware Europe. Eti joke, I'm not joking, I'm not joking. I'm not joking, oh. Usamede idada. Justina. Usamede idada. I tell you guys, eti joke. Una go see wetin una dey find. Carabineri go come meet all of us. We go fight time because I don't tire. Don't reach here. You reach me here. I tire. Every day new story. Imagine Frank they insult him mama because of waiting. Tell me why Frank they insult him mama. Tell me why Frank they insult him mama. Why? Because wawe kamanege not die in Roviger. We ya wawe nuje ya we banu na tie awole saga wa atinya. Umie kwe no we wotinya to bowe. Umie kwe. What the person do? Where Omago wa dota 3 days ire nu wa ti ti joke. O malare bekume ya ari ekuwa. Okay live video ni ti joke I'm not joking. Because mani bon all DJ me back since the radio la wo go mommy see okpa makin but why were who hold the family? God forbid I go be part of it that family nene. E don't know why. What say we flux eru we kon ya. Me go come be part of it that family. Eru wa kon ya. What are the most of you eru wa mu egboto. Eru wa ruwa nisan. Eru wa ruwa nisan. You are so stupid to write that comment say leave the family. Who hold I hold the family. Not be my house like this so. You hear say they Sharon house. Who they Sharon house now? Not be mama. Me dead there. I be not be my house be this. Let me silent the phone. Not be my house midday so. Which one be say leave the family? Who hold the family? Who hold the family? Who hold them? We beg be make me here. Me there for the past 1 month, I've been 3 weeks. It might take me there, me here wow. So which one be say leave the family alone? You guys are so stupid. Already one magba. One not leave the children alone. If Frank you wait a month agreement. How? When? They monogame, but I'm more young. They monogame. Which children they with me will say, me, I hold on to the children because of say, oh, you don't want they pay, that make me hold on to the children. That's how they come. Get where they find for that video.
For marriage now, all those circulations people within your WhatsApp, you know they cool and they form gentlemen, they follow, they become they me to do marriage of next 2 weeks. Wow. I'm listening. No, that's not. That's small. What's up with the drag or something? So you ask me. I'm very small. Don't play. Hey, are you boy? Tell me how to check my brother. Yeah. Tell Dr. Simon, man, say it, they mark you one day. One of us here, I don't reply. Izzy, you know I want to reply you. Number one, before you want to do video, one come to talk to me. Eh? If you want your baba, your hair, baba, your hair. One. So, fam, you don't know the meaning of adoption. Adoption means if you use a basharo. If you use a six people in the garden. On a go to. Many ways, who not see me. Now,
Where this thing there?
when I share this video, share the video and listen to Yemo Jonah.
Okay.
Really food long now. No, let's use this one. This is how we hire. What would you mean?
Not really mark the particular place. Wait for shooting self for leg.
Yes, don't block me. Why is they blocking now?
I'm not blocked them.
Video is
I'm worried they go to.
Mama, Sharon. No problem.
You don't see them. Say me day live. They insult Mama Sharon. Where are for insult Mama Sharon today?
No problem.
Now not watch my live video. See all these commenters. Wa mu go to. Wa worried they go to.
Say this one must come now. So definitely, Izzy go feel do sagarish, enogie.
I don't think do saga reach no gay. Waiting concern saga. Now saga be una work now. I can't be my business.
Izzy's already dead among the living.
Oh, I'm dead among the living.
Now one for me.
Hey, yeah.
Single for you that is shouting. Why with the eyeglass like Obama? Take over the truth of Sharon's death. She's just.
I bet I'll block you. Tell me, say me I forget this. I will block you. Whether they insult me, sis, why you not come and come defend me? Me I forget. Forget everything. You know what? They go to and if forget they knock you.
So I'm great one. Don't play. Hey, are you boy?
Easy forget.
Which platform for do the video?
There's the come.
Which one come back to the public say the way you want me to take?
Because I'm going to be here. So when I say the social media, I'm not going to be any more fun. Until you will
Can I momos on way because of Venezuela say okay, man.
Thank you.
and Richie Bronx. Thank you very much. What already?
So, fam, you don't know the meaning of adoption. Adoption means a child now belongs to you. That child now belongs to you. When the documentation is complete,
I know feel you need to write time for. I know the hear with you. I know feel
so,
you.
when Dr. Simon, I don't know when Nigeria I buried in Nigeria. Tell Dr. Simon, man, say it, they mark you one day.
One of us here, I don't reply. Izzy, you know I want to reply you. Number But one, before you want to do video, one come to talk to me. Eh?
Oh, God, talk better thing. When no mighty, when I with disco light, you were with September. See us when you stay, see fridge for your back. I get dungeon. Why are Europe? Where to stay? Continue environment to be a go. Oh God, take another thing. Forget you my hair. Na came you my hair. Anything we like me, I go put for hair. Now my head, now my money. You go mock bear. Where? Where to? You can't be to where you tomato. Mad me, I bet they block all those nonsense people. You go mock bear. Even if I bought like now, September when disco light will go. September when Christmas light will go. I tell you lag yeke. I tell you lag. You not come See. You cannot pressure me, Frank. Mezuo. Memu ya da veni yeke vi mu ya da. When I go na yeke vi da bashawo. Og bashawo ho ya ozo. Merogwa. Memu enigo me say there. Cannot pressure me. I know they live fake life. Now life where hungry me now they live. Now waiting I like now they buy. If I like make I buy sponge, how is it your business? What you can wear? What how is that one your business? Is that the bowl of contention? Is this sponge a minimum you or the bowl of contention or a minuta? How is it your business? What you can wear? A mabule. Agbonyan wi sagaya fe egbe ne uma egbe unwenya ngogogo agwa biju wewa ijuwe no ma enegbe ijuwe ne zuo ije Kevin ashawa gbashawa imi la temi obe gba no ma enegbe temi obe aye Kevin. Go zuo. Where worry Frank? Emi no bu we dey oda o. Oye lilili.
If you don't know, make you know now. Now me be Frank Omozo.
I know say you be Ozo. Yes, you be Mumu. Yeah.
Period water.
The lala period water, but I know. Yeah, I know.
One room presenter.
Someone say you know say they want man one room.
I don't know at all.
Okay. All right, carry on the go.
If you want to call that name, call it with respect.
Uzuwa, where said I'm respecting now when I way. Shut up, Pinula wa guan. I don't like me we don't get sense. This is not your get sense. Very dull. Because here I was working now, not be color. It's all a malam egbe. Yeah, fawawa. That's where we can expose him. Make her when we do expose him. Make her when we do expose him. So when you do expose him, this thing they hear on voice because they quiet. Yes, see who Mama Channel they say for me. Wanna listen? Wanna listen?
That's to let you know, say, you never come out for social media. Can't tell the board why you delete that Sharon OKPAMEN number for Sharon before you go kick mama.
Wanna listen? Wanna listen?
In my other time, you never come out, come talk why you delete Sharon phone number, your man phone number before you go get the phone to mom.
Una hear na she first say na papa for the first video. Now Sharon man, not be papa again. No. When you marry ya talk here, una when watch the first video. I hear the fine since 29 minutes. He said na Sharon papa. Una will start with from the beginning. Many of una remember for the beginning. He said na papa. Abi say they adopt her, papa and mama. I want to know people will follow me. They watch them from the beginning. Just write yes on the comment section. Say before he talk, say now papa and mama will adopt Sharon. Abi now in the talk say na him man. So Frank, start for one place. Na in man or na in papa? Na in man or na in papa? Which one are you saying about? First, you say na in papa, they adopt her. Say she get papa and mama for here. Now so the mama give her all the we he gets. Now again today, you they say in man. First, Frank, I not delete any number come for any phone. You can't come over and why are you beg me? Why report me? Yeah, me figure put me phone in me when he had to arrest me. That phone has been to Okpame since. A phone itself, a phone is a guije. Each of the phone, the man Maria gave me what. And then they be asking him what because we made it but to why. Try to borrow one from who will give you sense now. Maybe your mom or the work will give you sense because you don't have none. A phone that is not even my phone. It's a baby phone. A cartoon of where I don't even. Okay, let's continue, guys. I will round up this video with this particular part because I really don't want to talk much. But I want to make a point here. First, he said adopted father and mother. That's what he said. Now he's saying the man. He's saying man now, not papa and mama again. Let's go. Let's take it back a little, like 2 or 10 seconds.
Now you put Sharon OKPAMEN number for Sharon before you go give man. In my other time, you never come and come talk why you delete Sharon phone number, man phone number for your phone.
Man phone number for my phone.
One. And you never even come and tell us. If you call OKPAMEN, bring Mimi for you, miracle. And be on a conference call with Oyibo.
Oh God, these people, man, I don't know what to do with these people. They lack sense. First, my people, I was saying I had to have energy. Sharon has been my friend for many years. In fact, she's my sister. Ebony, but yeah, maybe I will know it because Sharon, most times, maybe I wish happy birthday or send me a picture, a video. So most times I already live video, I already channel come making yen only on Facebook, and I might even be watching this video. Only we not done everywhere. You might even be here watching. Only on TikTok. So they na soon you know me. Madam Joy, idada, riebe gume. Ti me so we go and swear. This woman be come make la go go. Ugu kwa me bone na we imai ha my e book your man no be be akman do. No, I didn't even tell him. He told him, Imatamai, married Tamai. Ijoga no mega ya, la go, Tamai, no make it nine. Ina dogele, tie, ina ya gualo, TikTok even. Ina do come again. Where I hope when you cake, we shall you cake mengie, or ma reply. Was soon now, a be mara. Or where I thought as much now, or where now, imagine no, for now, or a maya might take particular thing or soon die. We coma now, yes, a coma because on any because fine, a shadow maka mage, but on any as easy. So, Erimaya, Eria Guagwana Kamana, okay, ya at hospital, ya try ni call no making a beg. Wow, I better block that. My admin block that person. Enogie, weedy, name block an idiot. So, and I come my way, and I come my hospital. At least no way beg wow. So that day, he hospital with me like be my jere at here. Go phone me no phone even. He my jere at here. He so why you now yet now he want me because was hospital. He wait no. Ti not ba ti pastor na ti afa na when yo ho we adien do ke we mi afa egbe we umia me nu do une ina we wa mi amia and it take promise boni na ya ti we bo wa the time ni ya kamiage wa tinya we 6 umana tinya me no share ina okay now maybe the next day he so wa the nene boy is very used to Mimi. He told him about on kaka boy Mimi because he have reject back here. So Ederio, Ogi, Mariso, I know the corner when I agree. Now, you might meet call her now because hospital was wet, but he had called her the next day. Of which the next day, thank God. Now we have now we won't be allowed to because we have because if only God can tell you guys what we went through when Sharon was in coma. Imagine our meme. Akpa will be alawa, but so he died for full day. But so ya akpa hospital here hang a chest station. Yeah, Mujake the next time he can wear the way here. All these things we're hoping that Salopa Mamwe or Sima will be at the next day, na gelejo na gelo to call it na do more video call. On a domio, on a child. Now, yes, doctor. But it was so positive that the girl will come. It's your way for me. When you mean now, the child I for many years. He might move from one day table. I'm always tell him like, hello, how are you? I'll not be that kind of person. Even Sharon even know. Now it makes you feel even tell me things like that because when you not respect the privacy. Hey. On respect the privacy. Hey. Ogi ame give me oja. Oja ni mie o se me we na. Ima we anybody. Una give me. Eso aga neru me na yen ni aka. But he arriva because I was hoping for a miracle or baby. I was so hopeful. I won't lie to you guys. In fact, for my life, that was the moment I was very hopeful. I was telling all Sharon's friends, hey, all of you don't need to cry. You need to be strong. So that, as in, I was very hopeful that Sharon will make it back. You get it? So, Egypt now, the same mother will come and way. Okay, are you warning for them? They totally force it where the mother must come to the hospital. Are you force her she must come? Or ire, I am your social. Let me don't say that part. Social now, Nema. I was ready to. Which should be this idiot when they call me. No, they call me if I did live video. I was ready to render help. The help was this, guys. I don't need to lie to you guys. The help was this. I told the woman, I told the mother, I said, these children, especially Mimi is so close to the mom. And Mimi is Jenny. So this daughter's psychological effect is very, very important. But I was thinking of the psychological effect of that little girl. Because each time she sees me, she's always seeing me with her mom. So now she's seeing me alone. I'm thinking what is going on in her head. And now, these children, we can both, all of us, raise them together. But please, let Okpame be here with you. So that Okpame when I will here, or Rebakota, you will go to bar. Okpame cannot be here. Because Mimi calls Okpame daddy. Mimi needs people who she's used to around her. She don't need to see strangers. It was a suggestion. I was like, if we are doing it like